Well, today we're going to do things a little differently. If you love human hair wigs, I'm going to show you this one. This is Ellen Wille JADORE, I think that's how you pronounce it, and the color is Bernstein Mix. You know guys, I don't show you a lot of human hair, but Ellen Wille came to me and asked me to show you this one, so I am excited to showcase it for you. This is a mid-length bob. It has these face framing layers around it. Look at this. I like this a little choppy on the ends, so you can see this has a little bit of layering, a little bit of choppiness around the ends. Show you the back. Lots of movement here. I like that it is a little shorter, so it's not going to rub on your clothing. In my opinion, this is a really nice polished look. If you love a bob, but you want something a little more polished and sophisticated, I think this is it. Now, of course, that's low density. We're going to go into detail with this cap, but there's no permatease in this cap, of course, at all. Now, Ellen Wille advertises this as Remy human hair, so you know you could add some curl to this however you wanted to do it. I want to show you the lace front up close so you can get a look at that. I got good coverage here. There's my bio hair here and here. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fit me perfectly. I'm going to tell you right up front, this is an investment, and that is not lost on me. That's why I'm bringing this up. This is an investment. Please do your research. There's going to be lots of reviews on this wig. Lots of reviewers are going to be showing you this wig. Find a reviewer that has a face shape close to yours, coloring close to yours. See all the different colors this is going to come in. Really watch all the reviews. Get everyone's opinion so you can make a really good purchasing decision. So let's talk about Bernstein Mix. So Ellen Wille describes Bernstein Mix as lightest brown with light gold blonde. Definitely has that. There's some medium brown going through here and a light auburn. This is a beautiful color. We've seen Bernstein Mix in the past and on other styles. But I love the highlighting. Look at the highlighting around the face. It's subtle. These are not big, bold highlights or anything like that. They're much more subtle. I noticed when I put this behind my ears, there was a light piece right here, which of course I think is so pretty. So that I want you to see, you can see some of that lighter highlighting there and running through here. But again, this is not big, bold highlights. I'm going to get up close so you can have a good look at this cap. First of all, this is a 100% hand-tied cap. There's no wefting in this cap. There's no permatease in this cap. So it has the ear-to-ear lace front. Comes all the way down. The mono top, which allows parting anywhere in this area. As you can see, it has some silicone strips here, and that works really well if you don't have any hair. It just gives you that little added security there. Love that. This lace front, I just want to make sure you get a good look at this lace front. It has the silicone strips along the ear tabs. As you can see, there is ear tabs with stays, and as well as the nape, which I think is a great feature. You can adjust this up to ½ inch on either side. It has the covered adjusters. The specs of this, the front and the sides are 7 inches. The crown is 8 inches on this wig. It has a 3-inch nape and it weighs 3.2 ounces. So with human hair, as you know, this is going to react to weather, everything else, just like it is, just what it is, human hair. So you're going to style it that way. You can put heat on this, care for this well. Make sure you have the right styling products for a wig like this. Like I said, research is key here. This is going to work great with any kind of headband. Because there's no permatease here and this is such light density, you can put a headband on with this easily, take it completely off your face, wear this behind your ears, which I know we all love. I love having options with wigs. I do. I want to wear a headband with them. I'm going to pull a little hair out around the face. That's just how I like to do it. Break that up just a little bit, and this one, look, you have that really light, like I was saying, some really light pieces. There's a piece that's really light around the front. Y'all, this is pretty, just giving you another look at the lace front. As you know, I keep a lot of these little clips just everywhere. I have them all over the house, in my purse, everywhere else. I love to pull a little bit of hair up. I will twist it, back just to get it off my face. A lot of times I'll do that, but you can clip these. The possibilities of styling are endless. So if you love human hair and you've been looking for a human hair wig, have a look at this one, y'all. I'll put a link in the drop down box below this video. This is available at wigs.com. You can go over there, click the link, go over, look at all of the colors this is available in. There's more information over there on this wig. I think it's one you'll enjoy if you love human hair. And thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some comments below, and I'll see you next time.